Have you caught the summer home improvement bug? Hey, before you whip out those tools and brushes, you will need to know which projects have the biggest impact on your home's value. I'm Carmen Anderson. I'm with Encore Group here at EXP Realty in Northwest Arkansas. And in my latest blog post, I share 7 weekend projects that can really pay off. You know, all these projects can help boost your property value to some degree. But here are a couple of my favorites. The first one is giving your kitchen cabinets a makeover. You know, when I'm showing homes, buyers are often seen drawn to white cabinets, and several buyers are even still attracted to stained wood cabinets. But it seems like to me that when showing these homes, that cabinets painted with a color are just less desirable overall. My other favorite weekend project is take a look at your landscaping. You know, curb appeal can make or break a potential buyer's perception of your home and therefore could impact your offers. Landscaping is one of the first things buyers see as they walk up to the front door, and I see issues with landscaping quite often. So having your landscaping manicured and clean is a great way to make a first impression. You can find the complete list of projects to help boost your property value by clicking on the link in the caption below. And if you want to know how specific improvements could impact the value of your home, reach out to me for a complimentary consultation. I'd love to help you maximize the impact of your investment.